Welcome, here I've got Huawei P Smart 2021 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit to the general category. At the first place here we have assistive grid option, so by using this button from the right we can turn on the camera grid lines and turn them off as we need. Now let me keep them turned on. Let's move back to the camera, and now in the preview we can see these lines. This is useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of third in photography or making experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when we go to the left to the gallery we can't see the grid lines at the real picture, so they are only to help us taking better photos. And of course when we don't need them we can tap again to the right corner, slide to the general settings and use this button to turn them off. Now in the preview the grid lines have gone. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.